Welcome to Alpha Online Education. So, it is the civics first year English medium. It is the civics first year English medium. So, I completion in previous video. So, the organs of government. So, in the side of organs, the legislature, the executive and judiciary. So the functions of those three are most important functions of those three organs of government. So now present we discuss it is the unit number 12. So it is the unit number 12. So important topic of all first year students. So the name of this topic is forms of government. So you know about the way of the government. So the government it is between state and people. So the government is essential element of the state. If no government, the state do not move. The movement of state is totally depends on government. So here the government it is elected by the government is to the side of people. So who elects the government? The people elects the government. The government is elected by the people. So now present the democratic countries in worldwide, the major part is democratic countries. So some countries are not democratic countries. So majority share is democratic side. So you know about the democracy in your previous videos. It is the rule of it is so the authority is in hands of people, that is democracy. So the democracy means the people's power. So I explained about the democracy in your previous videos. So here the majority countries are democratic countries. So the democratic countries narrates important role. So nowadays, so here the forms of government అంటే ప్రభుత్వ రకాలు అంటారు ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో ఏమంటారంటే ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ మీన్స్ ప్రభుత్వంలో ఉన్నటువంటి రకాలు ఎన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి ప్రభుత్వాలు ఈరోజు వరల్డ్ వైజ్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో ద వన్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మ్యాన్ షో ఇట్ ఈస్ monarch it is in hands of the king. It is in hands of the king. So one person maintain or one institution maintain total authority. The authority is in hands of only single person or single institution, that is monarch government. So just like the king. So now present the monarch government is in north side of present. So once upon a time the government is in hands of only one person or single institution, that is the monarchy government. Monarch. So the king narrates important role. The king is the state is king, only one man show. And next the few, aristocracy. Few అంటే కొద్దిమంది మాత్రమే, few members maintain authority, that is aristocracy. Aristocracy means the authority is in hands of few. కొద్దిమంది చేతిలో అధికారం ఉంటుంది. దానికి ఏమని పేరు పెట్టామంటే the wealthy అంటే ఒక ఆరోగ్యకరమైనటువంటి రాజ్యంలో ఉంటాం. ఎందుకంటే ద అథారిటీ నాట్ వన్ సైడ్ not authority, many persons side, only few sides. So that is the aristocracy, and then the many. So here the many, the authority is in hands of many persons. So that is the quality. So the poor, and the name of that is the poor people's lives happily in the side. So the best example of our India is many sides. So the authority is in the side of many persons or many legislatures. So these three are the one man show, it is monarchy, the few men, it is aristocracy, the many persons, it is quality. So the monarchy system is called king, the aristocracy system is called the wealthy, the quality system is called the poor. Okay? So these are all the kinds. So one man government, few men's government, many men's government. So this is the structure of the government. So now present the monarchism is not the side of ours, it is not the side of world now present. So only the communist country, it is China. So the Communist Party General Secretary is maintaining total authority. So the authority is in hands of only one man side. So the China is not country of democratic, it is the country of socialist. The communism is in the side of China. So once upon a time Russia also in communism side. So now present Russia is not in communist side, it is in democratic side. And then the few men's aristocracy. So these are also only some countries, the aristocracy system. So the many now present, it is the quality system, it is compulsory to the poor people side. So now present our India majority people, so is in the side of poor atmosphere. Majority people is in the side of poor. Okay? So here the forms of government. So this is clear structure. So actually these are not now present, only this system is in present now. So these are not. So majority countries do not like these monarchy system, these aristocracy system. So real forms. So now present the real forms of government. These four are now present the kinds of forms of the government. The one is unitary government. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే సింగిల్ గవర్నమెంట్ అంటారు. యూనిటరీ గవర్నమెంట్ సింగిల్ గవర్నమెంట్. దీని తెలుగులో ఏకకేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వము అంటాం. వాట్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు is unitary. So single government, it is success only less population countries just like the Britain and the Italy. The example of this are Italy, Britain and Italy. So this system success less population countries. So just like the Britain, it is the less population country, and also the Italy, it also less population country. So the unitary government means single government is called unitary government. So this is the one of the form of the government. And then the federal. So two types of government. Example, India. So the federal means federal originated Latin word foedus. Foedus means agreement. So here the two types of the government, one is central government and another is state government. So the India is best example of this federal side. The one government is central government and another government is state government. So authority is decentralized. The decentralized authority. The authority is decentralized. So this is the federal government system, and then the parliamentary government system. So the example is India and Britain. So the Pakistan, the Nepal. So all developing countries are in parliamentary government side. Developing countries. అభివృద్ధి చెందుతున్న దేశాలు మొత్తం కూడా పార్లమెంటరీ సిస్టమ్ ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశారు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ సైడ్ the legislatures depends on executives, the executives depends on legislatures, the legislatures depends on executives, the executives depends on legislatures, the executives depends on legislature. So in this side two types of the executives, one is a nominal executive and another is a real executive. So for example, the President of India is a nominal executive, the real executive is a Prime Minister and his ministers. So this is the style of parliamentary governmentary system. Our Indian government system is parliamentary government system, and next the Britain also. So the Queen and the Prime Minister of United States, United Kingdom, UK. Okay, so this system is a parliamentary government system, and then the presidential government system. So the United States of America, is a best example of this presidential governmentary system. So here the legislatures, the executives, the department of judiciary do their duties separately. The authority is not centralized. So the legislature's authority is separate, the executive's authority is separate, the department of judiciary authorities is separate. So this is the presidential form of government. This is the presidential form of government. So here the forms, the one is unitary government, single government. The example of that is Britain or Italy, Britain and Italy. The federal government system, it is two styles of government. One is central and another is state. The example of this federal India. And then the parliamentary government. So the legislatures depends on executive, the executives depends on legislature. This style is parliamentary government style. India is best example of parliamentary government style. So finally, the presidential government. So the president is whole and soul. So recently, the Joe Biden is elected the president of United States of America. So he maintained his total authority in his term. So you know about the term. So majority people will take he. So just like some people do not like the ideology of he. So new president is elects. The American people elects new president. He is Mr. Joe Biden. So Zamari, now he takes the charge of United States of America. America, he take the charge of United States of American president. So these four are forms of government. And then the first, unitary government. So here I explain. Unitary government means here, the unitary government means here, so single government. It is the best example of these unitary side, the Britain and the Italy. Okay, so these unitary government system is in success only less population countries. So the population which country population is less, this system is success only that less population countries. Yes, the features of unitary government, the features of unitary government. Here the centralization power. So just like it is one man show. It is a one man show. So the authority is in the side of only one person or one institution. So the centralization power, the power is not decentralized. Centralization అంటే అధికారం అంతా కూడా కేంద్రీకృతమైంది ఒకే సంస్థ మీద ఒకే వ్యక్తిలో. Okay, one person or the authority is in the side of one person or one institution. So that is centralization power. And then the flexible constitution. The constitution is not strong. So here I explain how many kinds of constitution. 4 kinds. One is written, India. Another is unwritten, Britain. Third is rigid, strong, America. Fourth is flexible, weak constitution. So the flexible constitutions, example of flexible constitution is Britain. So here the constitution is flexible. Here flexible means weak or not strong constitution. And then the simple administration. The administration, పరిపాలన ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే simple administration. So totally the authority is in the side of only one man. The authority is centralized. The administration is simple. So one man, one person take total responsibility. So his voice, his decision is decision. So no one can object him. So it is simple administration. Administration is simple. And then the fourth one is single citizen. There the citizenship is in single. Okay, so here our Indian citizenship is single citizenship. I explain about citizenship. So the citizenship of India is also single citizenship country. India is not a unitary government state. So our Indian constitution writers give more priority to our India. So India is the country of federal with unitary features. Federal government with unitary features. So finally, our citizenship is single citizenship. You live sitting in India, you belong to only citizenship of India. You are an Indian. You are an Indian. So this is the forms of government. This is the unitary government. Okay. So actually the merits of these and demerits of these. So the merits sign, it is suitable for less population countries. So the power is only one side. Quick decisions. So one man is decision maker. The decisions are initially in the quick decisions in this side. So less expenditure. Expenditure is less. Only one man make class, one man implement class. So the expenditure is very less. So it is suitable for less population countries. So the demerit side. So just like the monarchism is in the side of this. So one man show. The authority is in centralizing. The authority is in centralizing. So it is not suitable for big population countries. It is not suitable for big population countries. So this is the style of unitary government system. Okay, right.